My Kindle Fire won't turn on.
Try pushing the power button.
I have.
Hold down the power button for 20 to 30 seconds to reset it, just in case it is on but is really frozen.
I've tried resetting it.
It is rare to push the power button so hard or long or often that it breaks, but if you think that's the case, you need to get it repaired or broken. And if you've spilled juice or soda on the button to make it too sticky, that's the reason it won't come on.
I don't want to get a new Kindle Fire.
Another option is getting a new charger, in case the reason the Kindle won't turn on is because it didn't really charge.
How would I check that?
Plug in the Kindle to a different charger, give it an hour and see if it charges and turns on. If so, you know the problem is the charger.
At least getting a new charger is cheaper than a new Kindle. But Amazon says you only need to give it a few minutes to try to turn it on.
A few minutes might be enough if the battery is running low but not enough if it is dead.
So you think I need to give it 10 minutes or more to charge before I can turn it on?
And if you have it running a bunch of background processes, it uses power while charging.
That only counts as the cause if it only looks nearly dead before being brought back to life.
It might also be failing to turn on because you've got background processes using power while it is charging, and then not having enough power to activate.
Would that be a problem with the charger or the Kindle?
If the Kindle is using power while charging, it is actually the user. However, if you are trying to charge it through a USB charger that isn't plugged in right, it won't charge properly.
The only way you can plug it in wrong is not plug it in all the way or plug it into something that won't charge it.
If you plug the Kindle charger into a dead computer or power strip that's off, that explains why it isn't charging and won't come on.
The solution in that case is plugging it in somewhere that it actually charges it.
It won't turn on if you plug it into a computer that has its own battery running low, or doesn't have enough power to charge the Kindle while charging everything else you connect to it.
That makes the solution giving it its own charging port or power outlet.
If that doesn't work, then you need to start testing other chargers.
And if that doesn't work, talk to Amazon tech support to get the Kindle replaced.
It won't turn on if the battery is almost dead due to total dissipation or bad connections to the device.
I don't think I can replace the battery without voiding the warranty, but Amazon could either replace the battery or the device as appropriate.